Is it time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve into the details of the TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of October in 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper section of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a movement back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, priced at $72.76, would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, potentially marking the first indication of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible negative change of 11.11% over the upcoming 3 months, with a projected return ranging from negative 38.91% to negative 6.83%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 61.02% over the next year, with a potential return between 35.76% and 115.90%. This would translate to a price range of $94.25 to $149.88 after a year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ features the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for TQQQ as ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The TQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 4.24% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, dropping from $72.49 to $69.42. Throughout the trading day, the ETF showed a fluctuation of 6.99%, with a low of $67.70 and a high of $72.43. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, rising 4.41% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume on the last day surged by 24 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 66 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $4.61 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $85.20, while the lowest was $30.47. Currently, the price stands 18.52%, or $15.78, below the 52-week high, and 63.63%, or $121.46, below the all-time high recorded on January 8, 2021, when the price peaked at $190.88. TQQQ, the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF, tracks the NASDAQ 100 and employs 3 times leverage to enhance daily returns. Recent insights highlight that while TQQQ holds significant short-term profit potential when market timing is executed effectively, it also carries considerable risks, particularly for those holding positions over the long term due to volatility decay and rebalancing effects. Investors are advised that these leveraged ETFs are generally not suitable for buy-and-hold strategies, as price fluctuations can lead to compounded losses over time. In the third quarter, TQQQ was among the top exchange-traded funds by trading volume, reflecting strong interest from traders and indicating an increased engagement in the market. However, this surge in trading activity takes place against a backdrop where technology stocks are experiencing challenging conditions. Recent data indicates that TQQ may be vulnerable to declines in the tech sector, particularly if negative trends persist. If further selling pressure builds, the risks associated with volatility could heighten, potentially driving the ETF towards significant drops. In the short term, TQQQ may experience price variations influenced by investor sentiment and market dynamics within the technology sector. Long-term investors should proceed with caution, as the inherent risks of leveraged trading may result in underperformance compared to traditional indices. Overall, while TQQQ presents appealing opportunities, it is crucial for potential investors to manage risk effectively given the volatility associated with this ETF. The following signals have been identified for TQQ. The TQQ ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $71.57. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find support from the long-term average around $67.37. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. There were also some negative signals that may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 26, 2024, and since then it has decreased by 5.15%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 62 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $63.36 and $58.74. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF tests a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the next support level. In this instance, TQQ finds support just below today's level at $63.36. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $58.74 and $53.62. This ETF is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval, indicated by the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $4.73 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.99%. During the last week, the ETF's average daily volatility was 4.11%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $73.04. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ faces its first support level at $63.36. Should this support level hold, it could represent a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQ shows several negative signals, and we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, we expect TQQQ to open at 430 cents and begin trading at $69.85. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.